Amira takes 9 hours 25 minutes to complete a long walk. Show that the time of 9 hours 25 minutes can be written as 113/12 hours. Okay, so this is 9 hours and 25 minutes. We have to convert both of them into hours. This is our target answer. So what I will do here, I have to convert this minutes into hours. So to do that, divide it by 60. When you divide it by 60, so these minutes will become hours. It will be 9 hours plus 25/60. After simplification, it will be 5/12 hours now both are in hours, so let me take the let me add them. So it will be 9 plus 5/12. So it is 113/12, which is the same as per the requirement of the question. But sometimes you have to show working instead of showing the answer. So for that, if I put 1 here, so the LCM is 12. So the LCM is 12, so it means that I have to make the denominator 12 in both the fractions. So for that I will multiply here by 12 and here as well. And now the denominators are same, just add the numerators. 108 plus 5 is 113/12. And these both were in hours, so the final answer is in hours. Okay, so we have done this. So with the help of working, we have shown this answer. The next part is she walks this much kilometer, 3y plus 2 kilometer, at the speed of 3 kilometer per hour. And then again she travels this much distance, y plus 4 kilometer, at the speed of this. Show that the total time taken is this. What does show that mean? Show that means this is the answer and we have to show the steps. We have to show steps to achieve this answer. And we know the formula that distance distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. And here we have to, if you read the statement again, it is written here it is written that show that the total time. Okay, in the first part of the journey, in the first part she walks 3y plus 2 kilometer. So please use brackets, 3y plus 2 kilometer. And with this is the speed of the first part of the journey. Speed is 3 kilometer per hour. And so the time will be here. Okay, from here, this formula, we can find the formula of the time. So for that we have to make time the subject of the formula. So time will be distance over speed. Students, okay? It is distance over speed. So by using this formula for time, so here distance is 3y plus 2 and the speed is 3 km per hour. So it will be in hour. And then in the second part, she travels this much distance. The distance is, you can see over here, y plus 4. Use brackets. It is in kilometer. And her speed in the second part is 2 km per hour. Okay. So using the same formula, that for time, distance over speed, the time will be, distance is y plus 4 and the speed is 2 and the time will be in hours. Okay. And now what we have to show that the total time will be the sum of these two times. So the total time, now by adding these two times, this one and this one, so this is the total time over here. Okay, now these are two fractions and the denominators are different. And students, you know that when denominators are different, we make the denominators same. To make the denominators same, we have to take the LCM. So LCM of both of them is 6. So what I have to do, I have to make 6 the denominator in both the fractions. So for this, I have to multiply by 2 here and 2 here as well. To make this second one 6, I have to multiply by 3 here and 3 at the top as well. So here it is just after expanding. Now expand this one. 2 into this is 6y, and then with this 2 2s are 4 and then 6 here plus 3y. Please look carefully. 4 3s are 12 and 12. Sorry, 6. Now the denominators are same. So when denominators are same, just add the numerators. So students, 6y plus 3y will be the 9y and 4 plus 12 will be the 16, and we will write the same this single denominator 6. Now this is the answer. We have shown this answer. So we have shown the result. So this part is done. Now let's move to the third part of the question, this one. Here we have to solve the equation. But right now we don't have equation here, and you know that when we have added the times, so this was the result. This is the total time of two parts of the walk, and the total time, students, it was also this one. This is also the total time. It is the exact total time, and this is the time. This is the time in terms of y. This is expression. So these both are the total time. This is the expression. Okay, because it is in terms of y, and this is exact time. This is exact time. So both are the same thing. So we will write them here. That is 9y plus 16, which is the total time. We have just found it over here, and this is exactly equal to this exact time, 113/12, and both are in hours. So there is no problem of unit here because the units are same. So these are not problematic. Now we have to solve this. So student, we know that when we have a single fraction on one side of the equal sign and the single fraction on the second side of the equal sign, we use cross multiply. So let's do cross multiply. Okay, the 12 will multiply with this. So it is 12 times 9y plus 16, and we will multiply this 6 with this. So 6 times 13. Okay. Now after expanding here, so we have this equation, and this is the linear equation, and let's shift this over here. 108y, and this is 78 minus sorry, there was a mistake here. It is 113. It is 113 here, but I have written 13, just 13. So let me make it 113, and then see the result. It is 678 over here. Okay. So 678, and I will bring over here, it is 192, and then I will divide the result of this result by this 108. What is the difference of these two? Let's check it. It is 9 over 2. 9 over 2. So y is 9 over 2, which is 4.5. Now we have found the value of y, which is 4.5. Now we have solved this equation, and solving the equation means we have to find the value of this variable which is here, and we have found that, so that we have solved the equation. And the number 4th part is calculate Amira's average speed in kilometer per hour for the whole walk. It is the average speed of the whole journey. We also say like that. So the average speed of the whole journey, can you tell me, student, what is the average speed of the whole journey? Yes, student, the average speed of the whole journey formula is total distance divided by the total time taken. And the total distance is the distance in the first part of the walk and the distance in the second part of the walk. So okay, so the total distance is, let me write over here, the total distance it was, in the first part it was 3y plus 2, and in the second part it was y plus 4. Okay, and so here 3y plus y, 4y, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is the total distance, but it is in terms of y. So now we will put the value of y, 4.5 here, 4 and 4.5. We have just found the value of y, so just plug in that value y here in this y plus 6. Now just simplify and see what is the total distance. So the total distance is, student, it is, let me find it, 4 times 4.5 plus 6. So it is 24 kilometer. 24 kilometer. So let's put this value over here, 24 kilometer. Okay, and divide. Now we have to find total time, and the total time is over here. It is given already in the question as well. Okay, so it is, let me write it over like this. Instead of writing this, let me write over here like this, 24, let me write divided by like this, 113 over 12. So the total distance over total time. So it is 24. Let me convert this division into the multiplication. It will reversed. Okay, no, just using the calculator I will find the final answer. So 24 times 12 over 113, and the final answer is 2.5486. So 2.5486, and we have to give the answer into up to 3 significant figure. So we have to round it up to 3 significant figure. For that, the final answer will be 2.55. Okay, kilometer per hour. So we have done this question of distance, speed and time question, and this is application of quadratic equation, but we have not found quadratic equation in this question. The equation was linear equation. So we have done how to handle distance, speed, time question in the word problem.